Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please extend a hand of friendship by liking my video and subscribing to my channel. So you see these shower curtain rods? I was intending to make soap with those, and we'll see how the finished product came out. So this is definitely a messy process, but I really like how it came out. I think it's really pretty and a unique way of swirling my soap. So I got a challenge for you all. I want you all to, in the comment section, type out something that you would like for me to use in my next loaf of soap to contribute to my swirls, and I would definitely try to do that. So check this out. I am from the state of Florida and I attended college there, and I want you all to tell me what college you think I attended based off of this soap color with the beautiful black and gold. So thank you for stopping by and watching my process of making this soap. I hope you enjoyed watching. And if you did, like I said before, please extend a hand of friendship by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Look at those beautiful bars of soap. Yes, go Florida University. And for now, guys, black hands are out. Bye-bye, guys.